Roy Sebastian. And today we be going to blow it balloons in scientists. What is it confused about everything balloons, set of balloons? We don't know what inchi it is. So today we be going this one. It's a Tropy Qualtex CM Inchi. What it is we're gonna blow it and pop some balloon. We just pop the balloon. We're gonna try it the balloons as well because the neighbors coming apart. Everything see that making trouble. So yeah, I don't know what that is. So today we'll be going to blow it the balloon, as you see. So before I going to blow it this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification to squad guys. If you guys didn't know what to do, tell me comment section below if you subscribe button. And also check out my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like future on the YouTubers in #1. You know, my like video, it's okay. So today, we'll be going to blow it balloon. No, I'm gonna brave it, as you see. Here we go. I put the handset. So, the baby, there is a blow in balloon. Because neighbors are there. So the handset. Now I'm gonna use butterfly transport balloon. As you see, here we go. I blow and I pop the balloon. As scientists, don't try this at home, okay? Okay. Oh! Wow! Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! I popped the balloon! Yo! It's here shaking. Let's go in the clip. Oh! It's so terrible. Oh! Wow! Hand checking. Know what to do. It's some kind of loudest balloon. Oh my god. So scary. That was so much bigger. It's okay. Oh my god. I never believed that. It's so much bigger. I'm gonna try about that. You're amazing, man. So now, we'll be going to star balloon. As you can see, star balloon. This is transparent balloon. Don't try this at home. Here we go. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh. You know what? Hmm. Let's check out our video. Slow motion. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. It's so much louding. Oh my god. I don't feel it. You guys didn't know what there was so big for that. Oh my god. I'm literally just working today. That was stupid like that. Was so stupid this. You know that is it. You know that I blow the balloon and it's try to pop. And some of the people coming to my neighbors today. Oh my god. I'm no way they're talking about it. Was epic. This is was epic, okay? Don't try this at home, okay? It is so much bigger. But I will see if it's decayed on this video. I know that. Let's check it out, okay? As you can see, the teleporter was disgusting and so much bigger. Look at that. Amazing for that. We tried about that. But what do you think about everything I know? There was this is a butterfly. Sorry, this is a butterfly balloon. That was so big for louding, and this sometimes blowing just fun. Chances was so blowing up, and it just popped the balloon. This is worst thing ever. This is worst something ever, and that was dangerous. Pop in balloon. This is what scientists. Okay, you cannot do this. This is what I scientists. By the way, it's okay. I have a sick. So now we try to see this here. The stars have the pop balloon so much bigger. Look at that. Big pop. You know, sometimes you see. Look at that. Oh my god, that was so loud thing. You think about that. There was crazy things balloons pop. That means experiment, man. Don't try this at home, man. Homie, what should I give you? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching on this video. I hope you like my video I blow in the balloon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification to support guys. If you guys didn't know what to do, tell me comment section below if you subscribe button. And also check out my follow Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like future only YouTubers in #1 ASEAN for my country, ASEAN. So I prove it for everything I got. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for 94 subscribers. Please subscribe my channel in my subscriber. You did actually, but I know. Experience my gaming, experience my day travel, experience decay of the box. I appreciate if you're happy my video. You so like my video. I blow it balloon pop, and I guess what? You love my own. So thank you so much, someone watching on this video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Woo!